Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. On today's video we're going to be talking about the new NIKKIETutorials and Beauty Bay eyeshadow palette. If you're anything like me and you love watching YouTube tutorials and like the whole makeup side of YouTube, you know about NIKKIETutorials. So I'm pretty sure I don't have to go into detail about who she is, because if you're watching this video you most likely know who she is. Super talented, one of the most talented makeup artists that there is on the YouTube beauty community, in my opinion. She can make anything look good. Her eyeshadow blending skills are out of this world. It's just, she can make anything look good. So when she came out with her collection, I was a little bit like, okay, let me see what she's gonna come out with, because I knew it was gonna be color. I knew that she likes her neutrals, but she knows how to pull off a colorful look. I was just excited to see it, but I was not planning on purchasing it, you know. But then she started revealing her palette and all of the colors in it, and I was actually excited, because if you know, her standards are very high. You know that she's gonna come up with something really good, really pigmented, because she loves pigment. So here's the palette. I actually got it because it was $30. That's basically the only reason why I got it. I mean, I love it, but I got it because it was $30. If it would have been more than that, I don't think I would have gotten it. So I'm actually super happy that I got it, because the quality in these shadows is so good. Yeah, so if you see my palette, it's gonna be all messed up because my kids got to it before I could even take pictures or video of the palette. I was actually a little bit frustrated, but what are you gonna do? Kids are kids, and this is the time of life that I'm in right now. So this is the palette, and she explained in her video that she has two sides to her. She has a bright side, the side that we know, and then she also has a dark side. She likes to watch horror movies, that dark side that, you know, she might not show online, but that's why the design of the palette. So here's the dark side and here's the bright side. You can see, I'm gonna actually make some close-up shots of this, maybe some swatches. We have different types of colors here. We have a pink, we have an orange, we have a bright neon yellow. The one that scares me a little bit is the green on the dark side, the one called Ew. That's the one that I'm a little bit like, whoa, that's too bright. I don't know what I would do with that, but you know, I would just have to look for inspiration on Instagram or something. But there's a good amount of, let me see, 4 shades that are neutral that you could just wear any day, and then the rest are colorful, but they are really nice. I think that I would actually get some use out of this palette. Also, we have 2 mirrors. One it's a regular mirror, and the other one it's a magnifying type of mirror. Sorry if you hear my kids, they're downstairs, but they're making way too much noise. And I need to film. I haven't posted in about 3 weeks, and I just needed to film this video. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna see what I can come up with. I just wanted to make this video because, of course, you know, I'm not super talented on makeup, or I'm not a makeup artist. I don't have this big skills like all of these influencers and Instagram makeup artists make it look like online. I don't have that type of skill, but I wanted to make this video to show the regular person what we can do with this palette. So I'm just gonna try to do, I would say, 2 looks with this palette, one with color and one neutral, and see how that would look on a person like me. I'm actually gonna do a voiceover after here because my kids are making way too much noise. And maybe just do it with music in the background or something. So if you're interested to see what a regular person like me can do with a palette like this, then just keep on watching. Thank you so much. Subscribe, like this video, leave me a comment, and I would see you guys on the next video. So here's the first look, and of course the neutral look is going to be my favorite. You're gonna see the next one in a couple of seconds, but look at how beautiful this came out. I love it. Came out so beautiful. But yeah, the next one I didn't really like how it came out. I don't know, maybe I wasn't inspired enough. But what are you gonna do, really? A regular person like me would not go out like this on a regular day. I love playing with makeup, so I feel like even if it didn't come out good, I feel like I still like it. Playing with makeup is one of my favorite things to do sometimes. That's what I used to do before having kids. I would just sit down in front of the mirror and just put makeup on and take it off. That's what I would do. But the colorful look, I like it, but I'm not obsessed with it. I think I could have done a little bit better, but I love it anyway. And yeah, I'm recording the voiceover for this video right now. This video took me so long to make. I feel like it took me about a week. I filmed the first part one day, the first look on another day, and this second look on another day, and then the voiceover has taken me a while to edit the video, about 2 nights, because mom life. But I'm so happy that I could do this video for you guys. If you liked it, please give me a like. Subscribe if you haven't. You know that 80% of people that watch my channel are not subscribed, and so if you are enjoying the video, I would suggest if you subscribe. That would make me smile so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video.